Hello friends, so welcome to Crypto, the one-stop solution, and in this video we are going to look at the overview section of any cryptocurrency. So how we can do the overview process of any cryptocurrency using tradingview.com. So I've opened the Bitcoin main home page in TradingView. Here you can see we have many options like overview, timeline, news, ideas and markets. So in the overview section, first of all we can see the BTC and USDT chart. So this is a one-day chart and this is a candlestick chart. The current price as of 11th December 22, that is $17,149 in terms of USDT. That means if I want to buy one Bitcoin, then I need to pay $17,149 so that I can receive one Bitcoin using an exchange. No, so that was a candlestick chart. Also, we can see the line chart. So line chart is like this. So this is much simpler to visualize, and this is a line chart. And here you can see that we are in the bearish market since a long time. So the price has been falling from December till date. So December to December, since last 1 year, the price is falling from 50,000 to 70,149. So here you can see that it is very much beneficial if we purchase a Bitcoin at this current price, and if the adoption is successful in the entire world, then the price of Bitcoin can increase significantly with respect to time, because the supply of Bitcoin is very limited, that is only 21 million. So I believe that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will be adopted by the world, and the price of the cryptocurrency will rise significantly. So I believe this might be the nearby bottom of the currency, and you can purchase Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin and other altcoins are purchased, then similarly if Bitcoin rises, then due to Bitcoin dominance, the other coins also will rise along with the Bitcoin, and a good amount of gain can be obtained from the cryptocurrency market. So in the overview section, we have some ideas also. So first idea is mostly Bitcoin is bearish. So this is the chart which is done, and the analysis on this candlestick chart. So let us open in new tab. Okay, so from the analysis, this is the one-day candlestick chart, and this is the strong resistance that is obtained because the Bitcoin has been rejecting from this resistance area quite a few days, and this is the strong support area. So this is the support, local support, and this is the longer time frame support. So as per the analysis, if the price action breaks this resistance, then this can go up till $18,537. And if the price does not break this resistance, then there is a strong possibility that the price of Bitcoin will go till $15,705. So at this particular price, we need to wait for a while to check whether this resistance is being broken or not. So that's how we can use the idea section to know the analysis of the top traders. Now let us look at another article. This article is Introduction to Market Structure. So what is the market structure? How to identify the market structure? Types of market structure are shown in the graph format. So this is bullish. So the price is going up, then down, then up, then down, then up. So basically the higher high is greater than the lower lows. So if the higher high is more, that means we are in the uptrend, that is the bullish market. And similarly on the flip side, if the higher high is lower and lower low is more as compared to the previous low, so that means we are in the downtrend, that is the bearish signal. And let's say if the highs that is making into the market is at the similar level, so we have a support and resistance that is not being broken for a certain period of time, that means we are in a sideways movement. So that is a range movement or a sideways movement. Basically the price action is being revolving between a certain resistance and a certain support for a certain period of time. Now next is change in trend from bullish to bearish. So initially the price was going down, then it went up, then it went down. So it was bullish for a certain while because the higher high is more than the previous. So this high is more than the previous high. So that was the bullish momentum. Then suddenly it went into bearish momentum. And on the flip side, change in trend from bearish to bullish. So this can be the pattern from which we can identify the change of trend of the crypto market. So basically we have three type of trend: bull trend, bear trend, and the sideways trend. Bull trend, that means we are in the uptrend. The bearish trend, that means we are in the downtrend. And the sideways trend, that means we are in the sideways. That means the price is revolving between a certain support and a certain resistance for a definite period of time. So this is the bullish market structure. That means a low is created, then high is created, then higher low. That means the price of this low is more than the price of this low, and the higher high, that means the price of this high is more than the price of this high. That means higher high. So that means this structure is a bullish structure. Then the price of the currency is increasing with respect to time. So investment at this higher low and this low, we can give a good amount of profit in the near future. Similarly, on the flip side, the bearish market structure. So this is high, then low, then high, then low. So higher high. So the price is little bit more than this, low and low. So lower low is less than this low. That means the price at lower low is less than this low. That means this is a bearish market structure. That means the price is continuously falling with respect to time. And third is the sideways movement. So this is, you can see that we have a local support and local resistance. So this equal highs can be treated as the local resistance, and this can be treated as local support, and the price is moving with respect to local resistance support, and this can be considered as a sideways movement. So that's how you can read the articles and get to know more about the market structure. Also, we have one article called 10 things to remember about bear markets, volatility and panic. So tip number 1 is plan ahead. Tip number 2, don't rush. Tip number 3 is patient with the entries. Know your time frame. Have an exit strategy. Tighten position size. Zoom out for historical context. Cash is a position. Avoid panic, FUD, and FOMO. There is fear of missing out and fear and uncertainty, and take a break from the market from time to time. So these are the basic points that we need to remember when we are investing in cryptocurrencies, because they are highly volatile. So if these points are carefully calculated, then we can make good amount of profit, and we can significantly stop our losses and cut our losses using these key points, which are calculated from top traders and analysts. So these are significant points, and that is helpful in the market investment. So there is one article which says that we need to short BTC because in the long term or in the nearby term, the price can fall. So here you can see that the trend line is obtained from this point to this point, and if this trend line is broken down, then it can go to the low support area. So from if this trend line is broken down, then the target area can be this price point, and the stop loss can be this price point. So this is a good amount of risk to reward ratio, that is 3.87. So the profit to loss factor is 3.87. So that means the profit can be 387% as compared to 100% loss. So nearly profit is 4 times as compared to our loss. So this is a good trade if this condition is fulfilled. So that's how you can do some analysis and have some news obtained from the selected cryptocurrency under the overview tab. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.